As we get older and time moves on, we need to be certain we've secured our legacy. In this video, I'll go over 23 Legal's estate plan tiers and what each one includes. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal services, and we pride ourselves in our outstanding level of service whenever we assist with a will, a trust, or other estate plan documents for our clients. And today, we'll discuss our new tiers for estate plan services and what you get for each one. So let's discuss what each tier we offer includes. Now, regardless of which plan you choose, we'll offer a power of attorney for both healthcare and property. These allow you to designate someone to make decisions for you. When it's healthcare, this means someone will be able to access your medical records and make medical decisions for you. This can take effect the moment of signing, or it can also take effect whenever you're medically no longer able to make those decisions for yourself, which usually occurs once a physician makes that determination and puts it in writing. The POA for property can make the same decision for you, but in regards to finances, business, belongings, property, this can also take effect immediately or when you cannot make those decisions anymore. We also offer for you to designate who can take care of your pets in case you're inability to do so, and a portfolio for keeping. Also, 1-year subscription to DocuBank, which is a digital database for you to access all your documents. Alright, let's get on with our plans. Our packages are focused and built primarily on a will or a trust. In our first meeting together, we'll review and discuss what exactly a will and a trust are, and then how the documents can benefit you and your loved ones, what's most important and appropriate documents for you. We offer 3 levels of our plans with either the will or the trust: Will Essential, Will Family First, and Will Premium. And of course, there's the Trust Essential, Trust Family First, and Trust Premium. Essential is always our most basic package. It's ideal for a single or married couple with no minor children. Family First is a great option for those with minor children, as those will include provisions to protect your children and other dependents after your passing. We also offer the Premium plan, and this plan is a reinforced version of the Family First plan, offering extended additional protection for any benefits carved out for those children. Now, let's really break them down. Let's first look at the Essential Will and what that can do for you. The Essential plan is what I would consider our most basic package. This allows you to leave your entire estate outright to your spouse, an adult child, or children, or beneficiaries of your choosing. In addition, the plan provides important documents to nominate loved ones who can make financial and healthcare related decisions if you're unable to do so, and who will manage your estate after passing. Along with the aforementioned POA, you'll be getting a last will and a living will. We discussed wills in a video we've done in the past, so click on the icon in the corner to watch that video. The Family First will gives you everything the Essential Will does, but also gives 2 big additions to help your children. These are a declaration of guardian for minor children, which allows you to designate who will care for them after you cannot, as well as a short-term children's trust, which provides for your minor dependents health, safety, education, and welfare until they become adults. Now, what does the Premium plan get you? Well, along with everything in the last 2 plans, this gives you a lifetime trust for your children or beneficiaries, which helps protect their inheritance from funds from such potential pitfalls as divorce, lawsuits, or individuals who may not be ready to manage the financial responsibility on their own. This is just an extra level of protection for your children or dependents that is not offered in the prior 2 plans. Now, on to the trust and what we offer for those. As we stated earlier, we still hold the Essential, Family First, and Premium plans. Now, the Essential plan offers a revocable living trust, which will be the key in avoiding having to put your family through the probate process. We also include a certification of the trust, a transfer of the deed for an Illinois primary residence, and a pour-over will, a living will, and many of our regular offers such as POA, pet directives, and previously mentioned DocuBank subscription. The Family First Trust Plan, much more like the will, comes with everything the Essential Plan does, but adds a designation and declaration of guardianship for minor children. If you have someone you trust with your kids, and this is the time to put them on paper and ensure they are in trusted hands for the rest of their youth. And also, the Premium Plan gives your children that lifetime trust we mentioned earlier and protects their assets from situations out of their control. In short, those are our new estate plan packages. We've put forth the effort to give you everything you need, but that's not all. If you ever wish to create a land trust, transfer a house deed, execute a small estate affidavit, or just want to have a POA for healthcare or property without the will or trust, we can do those for you as well. Contact our office and we'll talk to you through the process and get you set up where you need to be. That's it for our discussion on estate plans and how 23 Legal will approach your needs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Like this video if you want to get started on estate planning, and subscribe to 23 Legal for more estate planning and real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver. We'll be taking new clients, and I'll see you in the next video.